Hello, today we're going to be doing Strobogrammatic number, which is LeetCode problem 246. This problem states, given a string num which represents an integer, return true if num is a strobogrammatic number. Learned a new word today. A strobogrammatic number is a number that looks the same when rotated 180 degrees, looked at upside down. So example 1, input is num, which is 69. When you flip that upside down, it still says 69. Same with 88. That one is easier to read. Flip that upside down, still 88. But 962 is false. One thing to note on the constraints, the length is less than or equal to 50. So we only have to worry about double digits in this case. So what we're going to do here is we're going to gather a list of all the numbers that look the same upside down. Hash set of string, call it set equals new hash set. Alright, we're just going to add numbers. So the first one we are going to add is 0. There are 8 of these, so I'm just going to copy this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the next one is number 1, then 8, then double 0, 11, 88, and 69, and 96. Okay, so now that we have that, we just need to create 2 pointers, one to start at the beginning of the string num and one to start at the end. So let's do that. So for int, we'll call that left, the left pointer equals 0, right is going to equal the num length, minus 1. Alright, we need left to be less than or equal to, less than or equal to the right, obviously. And then we'll increment left by 1 and decrement right by 1 each time. Okay, so what we're looking for here, the set contains. So set contains, and we're looking for num char at, so we're looking at the first character in the left. Okay, set contains that plus a space in here, and then we need to compare it to the passed in num variable. So char at right. This is in the first pass through. This is going to check the first character in num with the last character. So basically, if this doesn't exist, then we need to return false, because those are not the same. Return false. Otherwise, we can return true. And that should do it. When I run it, case 1, case 2, and case 3 is false. I will submit it. Well, this isn't the fastest solution, but I think it is the most readable. So there you have it. That's all I got. Let me know if you have questions, and we'll see you next time.